How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing, yep, you guessed it, dishwashing liquid. What does that have to do with cars, automotive, and everything? Stay tuned and you will find out. But you know what time it is. It is Camaro time. Yep, you heard me right. Dishwashing liquid. What does that have to do with automotive? I've been caught doing it myself, yes. I'm ashamed to admit it, but I have been caught doing the same exact thing. Now, dishwashing liquid, you use it to wash your dishes. It's great smelling. Some of it has lotions and stuff in it to give you that old nice soft skin feeling.
Everything looks terrific so far, but this I've got to see. Ooh, the water doesn't feel greasy, and neither do my hands. And the cup came out great.
And you know, when you're sitting there doing dishes, it kind of makes you feel better about doing them because the scent will take you away, take your mind off of what you're doing and everything. But what does it have to do with automotive? You keep asking yourself. Well, let me set it right here. And yes, I know, setting it on my car, but as you saw it, I did it very gently. Like I said, I've done the same thing. I'm guilty of it, as most anybody that's ever owned a car is guilty of it. And what is that? You get a bucket, pour in your favorite dishwashing liquid, and you proceed to wash your car with it. Huge, huge no-no. This is one of the biggest mistakes that you can make as being a car owner. I mean, it's irresponsible, and it's not something you can do. Now, the reason for it is, think about it. You have dirt on your dishes. You have grease on your dishes, right? You have grime on your dishes. Dishwashing liquids, like this one and other brands, has stuff in it to break up grease and grime and dirt and whatnot. Now, if you think about your automotive waxes and your finishes on your car and everything, what does it consist of? It typically consists of some type of petroleum product, which is a oil slash grease, right? So by using a dishwashing liquid or anything along those lines to wash your car, and like I said, I'm guilty of it too. There's been times where I didn't have a lot of money or didn't know better, you know. When I was guilty of it, this was before the internet and everything. So, and before I really got car detail oriented, I always kept my cars clean, I always have. But with that said, I used what I had on hand, which is always dishwashing liquid. But yes, the dishwashing liquid will actually take the waxes off of your car. It will strip it. It really will. So, you know, rather than having a nice shiny finish like you see here, you will actually have a dull looking finish. Yes, it'll be clean or look clean, but it will be dull. It'll be flat looking. So, you know, if you're going to be clay barring your car and totally re-waxing your car, then by all means use a dishwashing soap to help get the old wax off, to help strip your car down, so that it will be the beginning of the detailing process, the paint correcting process, as you will. But yeah, you never want to use a dishwashing liquid on your car unless you're going to be stripping the wax and stuff off so that you could start new with it. Well, by now you're probably or should be asking, well, what should I use? There are so many different name brand car washes out there. Some of them have scents in them to make them smell good, some of them don't. Some of them smell like chemicals, some of them don't. Yeah, some of them are better than others. And I'm going to show you a couple here that I use. One of them, number one, is because it was a gift package deal. You know, you go in Walmart or one of the automotive centers, you get a big old box of stuff, rags, car wash soap, all that good stuff in a box, 20 bucks. I got it. and then I have more expensive stuff, but let's go over it. And this is one of the ones that came in the deal. Armor All Ultra Shine. Yeah, it works good. I find that you have to use more of it than the top name brand. And the other one that I really like, and I like the way it smells, I like the way it feels on your hands, I like the way it cleans my car, and it's Meguiar's Gold Class. And there's other ones out there made by Adams Polishes, Griot's Garage, Chemical Guys, stuff like that, and more expensive ones in the automotive section, like God, I forgot the name of them now. California, no, West Coast Customs. I forgot the name of it. Sorry about that. Get back on the story. Why do you use these? Well, number one, they suds up better, they smell better, and they each take off the dirt rather than stripping off the wax. And also what it does, it actually, most of your car washes will have some form of wax in it. Yeah, it's not going to be a bunch. Yes, it's not going to be like hand waxing your car. But what it will do is, when you drive it, daily driving it, it'll put just enough protectant on it to get you through to your next wash, to get you through to your next wax, rather than having nothing on your car at all. Like I said, that's what dishwashing liquid will do. It will strip off all of the wax. These type of products will actually put a light coating on it. This one more so than that one. Now don't get confused in saying I'm sponsored by these products. I'm not. Any of you that have watched my channel before know that I buy each and every one of my products, and I'm proud of it. But I also try to support some of my local businesses, so this is why I have these two on hand and not an Adams Polishes or anything like that, because nowhere near me sells those or carries them. But with all that said, I mean, you can tell it works, because I use, like I said, these products on my own vehicle in between waxes and polishes. Anytime I wash my car, I'm using one of those. So by all means, go find you a good one that you like and use it. Don't, by any means stretch of the imagination, thought process, or dream of using a dishwashing liquid on your car. Big no-no, unless you're going to strip off all the old finish and all the old wax. That's the only time you should be using it. But for now, that's all for me. And you guys know what to do. Please hit that subscribe button. YouTube's getting very funny. I don't know how much longer most of us are going to be around with the new rules and everything. But hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. By all means, leave comments, because I enjoy talking to you. That's one of the great privileges of being a small channel, being able to respond to your questions and ideas and everything. So you guys take care, and by all means, we'll see you next video. Thanks for stopping by. All right, I know I'm going to catch a lot of flack about this, but you know how it is. I'm going to explain it, and you can think what you want. Yes, I am going to be setting product on my hood. Yes, I am going to create a cardinal sin. But number one, each one of these products have been thoroughly cleaned on the bottom. And number two, my car, as any of you know, is thoroughly protected. Number three, I'm going to be gently sitting the stuff down on here. I'm not going to be rubbing it, scratching it, or moving it around. I'm going to set it on there gently, hands off, and it's going to stay there. I know, you're not supposed to do it, but I'm doing it for video purposes. So I just thought I'd explain it to you guys. Take care.